Cowabunga pencil time. Link in the description below in the video. Okay, over here is the P200 bodies for the P200 pencils from Pentel. Here are the 50 bodies. Their names: 12mm crested bubble grip short .stl 12mm knurl short. Let's look at this one. We're going to download this file. We can preview it here in GitHub. Now we download. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. It's in your downloads folder. Now we're going to go into process slicer here. We're going to import our STL file. Okay, it's great. Now we got a couple of settings. You got your filament settings. Set that for your filament. You got your printer settings. Set that for your printer. I like the Ender 3. I somehow made a filament setting named Ender 3, but that's a PLA. I like printing in PLA at about 220 degrees. Now let's go into the print settings. Is what important part. I print all of these guys with the bottoms down and the tips up. Then we go look at the settings here. The layers, the layer height, you got 2mm. I'm using a 0.4mm nozzle. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Alright, then you take a screenshot of this stuff. Now here's the skirt and the brim. I like a both. Take a screenshot of that. I'm not using any support material. This is irrelevant. Turn it off. Speeds is what I'm using on the Ender 3 Pro 2. Not using multiple extruders. I'm barely advanced. Here are the options, and there you go. Okay, so we're going to go back to our platter using these print settings, which you have screen captured on your screen and transferred to your slicer. We're going to slice this guy now. Now we're going to go in here. Oh, might take a minute. Okay, we're going to go in here. We can look at the toolpath inside of the object. Okay, yeah, we can start seeing a moire pattern. Is how it's going to build your object here. We can tear it down layer by layer. Look at them individually in the cross section like I was trying to draw earlier. Okay, anyway, that's a good thing. And, you know, you got a 3D printer, you know, you got to save your files over here. Something like, this is a file dot G code. No, you don't put that there. Just, you know, you name it something. And put it in your printer, bada bing, bada boom. Watch the next video, see how to put it together. Okay, yeah, have a nice day. All right. Bye-bye, I love you.